Today we're going to go over some safety tips for lighting fireworks. Although it's a wonderful, beautiful experience, they're very, very dangerous. First, you will need long gloves all the way to your elbows in case the sparks come past your hand and go down your arm. The flag is not necessary. This is just for a hello, and we are going to start the fireworks. Follow me, folks. Now, we have the fireworks set on an even ground, which is very important. So we did a plate, we have a hose next to us to extinguish the fireworks when they're done. I left the flag. I left the flag. Now some fireworks may trick you. They stop, they start again. This is a trick, it's a trick. I can safely say we're done. However, we cannot leave a smoldering firework. We can extinguish it immediately. H2O. Maybe not on mist. And we're safe to say we're done. Happy 4th of July.